Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Wi-Fi not working on Windows 11. If your Wi-Fi just won't connect, drops randomly, or isn't detecting any networks, don't worry. This step-by-step fix will help you get back online in just a few minutes. Let's get started. So guys, for the first step, head over to the search bar and type in command. When command prompt shows up, right-click on it and select Run as administrator. Now, inside the command prompt, we're going to run a few commands one by one. Start by typing netchin IP reset, then press enter. Next, type IP protocol configuration /release. Hit enter again. Now type IP protocol configuration /renew. Press enter and wait for it to finish. Then go ahead and type IP protocol configuration /flushtons. Press enter once more. And finally type netch winsock reset. Hit enter. After you've entered all these commands, the final step is to restart your computer. Once your PC turns back on, your network settings will be refreshed, and in most cases, your Wi-Fi should now be working properly. That's it for today's video. If this helped you fix your Wi-Fi issue on Windows 11, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more simple tech tutorials, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.